So today my topic is digital footprints. So every time we like a photo or we search something on Google or we just post a comment, we leave a mark, and that mark is called our digital footprints. So that mark is our digital footprints. Just like a footprint and beach, it tells a story about online. So today I would like to tell you guys that your digital footprints matters more than you think. So basically there are two types of digital footprints. One is active and the other one is passive. The active footprint is the thing that we post knowingly, like when we post a photo, or when we comment on a video, or when we just simply send a message. On the other hand, the passive footprint is something that, as if the passive footprint is the information that is collected without us doing something directly, like our device's location or the time we are spending on a website, or when we just simply click on a link. So when we simply click on a link. So this data may seem small, but together added, it will show you a complete detail of your own personality, your identity, even your choices. So why does it matters? Our digital footprints makes a big influence in our real life, because nowadays many schools, universities, and jobs usually go to their applicants online to know more about their applicants. So your one thoughtful and respective post can open the doors for you. On the other hand, one careless post can hurt your opportunity or chances to get a scholarship or job or internship. So what can we do? There is a lot of simple steps we can do to improve our digital footprints. Like we can check we can think before we post. We can strong our passwords. We can Google our website. We should see what others can see about us. It is never too late to improve your digital footprints. And in the conclusion, I would like to say that your digital footprint is like your online shadow. It will follow you everywhere. You cannot erase it easily, but you can shape it. So let others reflect the best version of who you are. So in the end, I would like to say that be safe, be safe, and be in control, and never forget that each click counts. Thank you.